I'm Mindy Lockard, and on today's Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we are making the perfect warm and cozy recipe that will take the midweek dinner stress and squash it. As a busy mom of 2 girls, I'm always looking for quick and healthy ways to get my family to the table. And this recipe, my friends, does both. So pull out those slow cookers, because this recipe for chicken and butternut squash enchilada bowls literally cooks itself. Into the slow cooker, you put 2 whole chicken breasts, 2 cans undrained black beans, 2 chopped onions, and 1 clean and cubed butternut squash. Next, pour in 2 jars of enchilada sauce and 2 cups of chicken stock. Set the slow cooker on low and let it go. This will cook for about 8 hours. Around the 8-hour mark and 30 minutes before you plan to eat, pull the chicken out and shred it. Toss the chicken back into the slow cooker with the broccoli and let the broccoli soak in all of those delicious flavors. And this is where I start the rice. And then when you're ready, and your family will love this part because everyone gets to make their own bowl. Start with a spoonful of rice, ladle over the enchilada sauce with all of that delicious butternut squash, chicken, and veggies. Now add your favorite toppings. We love Mexican cheese, sour cream, avocado, green onions, and cilantro. The perfect ending to a busy day that's not only warm and flavorful, but so easy. For more Gracious Kitchen recipes, visit the blog at marketofchoice.com, because remember, the best place to connect with our family is in the car and the kitchen.